Good morning, YouTube, and Merry Christmas. I am on my way to the shop. It's a high-end tuning facility in Connecticut. It's ran by Jimmy. Jimmy is the fucking man. They work on everything from GTRs to Subarus and now the Supra. I'm getting my Active Autowerke High Flow catted downpipe installed, and after we install it, we are going to put the car on the dyno. We're going to see what she can do, especially with a high flow cat. Mike Body, the name right over here. Mike Body will be tuning my car. He's tuned my cars in the past. Everything from Subarus to BMWs. I trust no one but Mike. He is a genius when it comes to this, and very conservative, very safe. So we shall see what we are going to come up with. I'm excited. Shit, this is gonna be great. Guys, I just got the REXSPEED dry carbon rear spoiler. It's actually the matte carbon dry rear spoiler. There's no gloss finish to this carbon fiber. And to me, this looks way better than gloss because it's very race inspired, very motorsport inspired, and it looks really, really sharp on the car with the color and all the black satin pieces that are on the car already. But yeah, I just got this in and I installed it, and it looks nuts. So check this out.